Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to format images in Google Slides. This tutorial will be very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, you're a beginner, or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you are interested in watching other tutorials such as tutorials for other features and functions of Google Slides and other Google softwares, we actually have a dedicated playlist that showcases the different tutorials for those things. We also have a video tutorial or a how-to guide for beginners in case if this is your first time using these softwares and you are just getting started. We already discussed there all the basic features and functions and when to use those softwares. Now, once you are now familiar with the whole concept of these Google softwares, let us go ahead and show you how you can format images in Google Slides. Formatting images can be very useful, especially if you want to crop, you want to put a filter on your image, you want to colorize your image, and many more. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on the image that you would like to format, which in my case is this one. And the first basic formatting option that you can do is to resize your image by dragging across right over here using the corners or the sides, whichever is applicable, but I suggest you use the corner ones. And then right over here you can have the format options. Click on this one, and on my right side, as you can see, we now have the formatting options. We got the size and rotation. You can rotate your image 90 degrees, or you can rotate it manually by adding and decreasing right over here. You can mirror your image horizontally and vertically. You can adjust the position of your image right over here. You can see, you can adjust it. You can recolor your image. This is the colorization, which could be very useful, especially if you would like to change it to black and white. And you have the drop shadow. If you would like to add a drop shadow, just click on the checkbox, and as you can see, it adds a more depth into the picture. You can also adjust its opacity and more. Few adjustments, opacity of it, which is like that, its brightness, its contrast, and more. You can add a reflection if you would like. As you can see, it emphasizes the image really well. Get the distance of the reflection, you can see, and many more. You can customize it depending to your likings. As simple as that, we can format our images to make it look stand out and make our slides improve when it comes to eye appeal. Now, if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.